Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The sound of laughter and happiness was coming from the room. Everyone was wearing their new clothes. A poor woman was standing in the yard. She was trying to go inside the house with her old clothes, but feeling embarrassed. Someone said to Miss Salma, "Of course you are very happy." And she answered, "Why shouldn't I be happy? This is the wedding of the best lady in the universe." The old clothes of the bride came out of the house. An idea came to the poor woman's mind. She said to herself, "I'm going to borrow this old dress as she will not need it anymore." She stood behind the door and said to herself, "I better go and ask Fatima tonight. She will be happy if I ask her for this old dress. She'll give it to me." She was feeling ashamed to go and ask for the dress. Her head was down. When she felt someone coming towards her, she raised her head. Lady Fatima asked why she is upset, and she told her wish with embarrassment. Lady Fatima asked her to wait, and then went inside and brought her new wedding dress and told the poor woman to keep it. She said, "It is your wedding dress," with surprise. Lady Fatima said that my father had once said that you should give whatever you like as a gift, and insisted that she should wear it in the wedding.